Don't be afraid to give up the good. Go for the great. What's up, y'all? Today, I just wanted to start off with that quote because I just feel like it's so relatable to our lives today. I think a lot of the times we feel pressure to build all these good habits that we lose sight on actually making gains and moves on our big, juicy goals of that specific time period of our lives. And I was thinking about this because I was watching Andrew Kirby, a well-known personal development YouTuber, who shared his ideas and thoughts of habits should just be used as accelerators and that we need to keep the main thing the main thing. And I couldn't agree more, because sometimes we just feel pressure just to always do our fitness habit, to do our reading, to do our journaling. And sometimes I'm like, shoot, I feel like I'm just always having to do habits all the time. And I do feel the stress. And I'm sure a lot of you out there feel the same way too. So I think it was just a really good observation by Andrew that we need to just be self-aware. What should we be focusing on? He said that if we're a YouTuber, we need to focus on creating. If we are a writer, we need to write. And maybe you're starting a new career. Like I started a new career in sales 1 year ago. You need to be focused on developing the skills in selling. It doesn't really make sense for me to spend a lot of time getting bigger, looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger, if like that's not even going to move my sales career forward. I need to reinvest all that time into actually developing the skills as a salesman. So I want to add on top of Andrew's ideas of keeping the main thing by thinking of our lives in seasons, meaning that each season of our lives, there's a certain thing that we actually need to prioritize. Like when I was in Taiwan, it was a season for me to learn Mandarin. So that's what I did. When I was starting a new career in sales, I was in the season of sales. And when I'm right now here in Puerto Rico, I'm in the season of creating. So I want you guys all to really think about what season are you guys in? What should you be prioritizing? And the way I like to think about this in a metaphor is that like Mario Kart, right? It's we are starting from the beginning and there is a finish line. And along this path, there's going to be these power boxes that contain some mushrooms, stars that can help us get faster towards our goals. And that's similar to our habits. They could get us there faster. But along the way, there's going to be obstacles. There's going to be a boo. There's going to be some lava. And sometimes these power-ups are going to be close to these obstacles. And we don't want to hit these obstacles in trying to get after these little power boxes, or it's going to make us go off the road and it's going to slow us down. We need to focus on the main thing of driving our little carts to the finish line. That may mean that we need to skip some of those habits so that we can keep on driving in a timely manner. And there's going to be actually more chances to hit more of those power boxes so that we can actually get to our goals faster. There's going to be always more opportunities. So just like our life goals, we need to focus in on our main things. And I wanted to share a real life example of this. Is one of my new friends out here in Puerto Rico. His name is Afa, fellow Dragon Ball Z fan. Let's go. But he just recently got on the front page of the Caribbean News, and they were mentioning about his rising startup, and he was just so glad that he was able to make it, right? He's like, holy crap, we're up there, baby. We're on top above Banco Popular, like another famous bank here. And they were just like in the same cover and the same page. And it was just like, he was just, wow, this is crazy. And he only works out once a week. He followed the principle of keeping the main thing. And when I talked to him about this, he's like, oh, you only work out once a week? Do you try to work out more? It's like, no, I need to just focus in on my work right now because that's the season that I'm in. And actually, because I only work out once a week, I look forward to it, right? Because he deprioritized it. He actually has a better relationship to the habit and he actually looks forward to it. And it's an important part of his life still. So I think this is a great concept of just learning to deprioritize the good to actually go for the great. So to bring it back to you all, as I said earlier, what season are you in? right? Are you putting enough time and effort so that you are making gains on that one main thing? And are you trying to develop good habits, and are they taking up too much of your time? Should you deprioritize them, not giving them up completely, but deprioritize them so that you can actually feel good about it and actually make gains on the important things? So I truly believe if you guys are learning to deprioritize and focusing on the importance, you will be a lot happier and you will achieve a better sense of flow. So that's all I got for you guys today. Feel free to give it a like if you liked it. Feel free to disagree as well, but consider subscribing and let me know if you have any other thoughts. Much love. Until next time, peace.